Welcome back to our channel, or if you're new, welcome. Today, we'll learn a faster way to subtract from multiples of 10. Example, 100,000 minus 185. The first step is to subtract the units digit from 10 and others from 9. As shown, convert the last digit of the minuend to 10 and the rest to 9. Then, subtract 185 from the converted minuend. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. Bring down the two nines. There you got the final answer, 99,815. If you like the video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.